Would you like an excellent lunch idea? Our egg salad is quick, easy, and yummy. Here's the ingredients you'll need. Don't forget to wash your hands. Start off with 6 hard-boiled eggs that you have peeled, and then you're going to need to chop them. So I'm just going to chop up some eggs here. I'm going to start putting them in the bowl. All right, we've got our 6 hard-boiled eggs chopped up, and then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of reduced fat mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1/3 cup of pickle relish, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. All you have to do with this is to combine the ingredients well, and then you're going to be ready to make a sandwich or serve it over some lettuce. And there you have it, egg salad. Check out our recipes at
Eat, Move, Save.